Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome back to another episode. Alright, I have these 2019, as you can see, Mini Clubman, all four, Mini Cooper. Alright, and I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change in this vehicle. On the other hand, I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset. Alright, and that's pretty much it. So come with me, I'll show you how to do that. Before I get into the action, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do that for me. Hit, destroy, bang, nuke the subscribe button. And do the same with the like button. Do the same with the share button. Maybe you know someone that has a 2019 Mini Cooper. Know what I'm saying? So do that for me. They're gonna appreciate it. I will appreciate it. And the feedback, put in the comment box for me. Anything you need to say, any comment, anything you have in mind about this vehicle, put it in the comment box for me. Okay. Also, I want to remind you, always wear your safety glasses, gloves. Know what I'm saying? I don't have it now because I'm not doing it now. So when I get into it, I'm gonna put mine on. Alright. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers and the ones that are just subscribed to my channel. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Where would I be without you? Know what I'm saying? Thanks, y'all. Alright, I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Oh, before I get into that, I just want to say that if you're looking for that, I just want to mention, if you're looking for a specific vehicle, just go to my channel, go to my videos, and type in the search box the vehicle you're looking for. Alright, and that's pretty much it. Alright, let's get into this. Holla at your boy, Stu. Let's get it. Do it like a pro with me.
My balls off. Let's do this shit.
Hey guys, welcome back. Studios back at it. Well, I let me just tell you that I put 4.75 quarts or 4.5 quarts of synthetic oil, 0W20. Okay, synthetic oil. Just so you know, this vehicle doesn't have a oil stick, so once you drive it, you have to put the 4.5 quarts. Okay, you drive it for 30 minutes, and it's gonna tell you the level of the. You go there, you go vehicle status. Here, engine oil level. Okay, all right. You can measure it again by pressing, going to the right here, or just press this button and it says right there. Okay, you have to drive like 30 minutes to measure it again. Okay, but this vehicle takes 4.5 quarts, between 4.5 quarts and 4.75 quarts. Okay, just so you know. Alright, so now we're gonna do the oil life reset. Okay, because a lot of people, I don't know, get it too confused, whatever. Okay, forget about this now. Now we're gonna shut it down all the way. Alright, so this is how we're gonna do it. Alright, the oil life reset in this 2019 Mini Cooper Clubman. Alright, a lot of people get it confused, get it twisted, but I'm gonna show you the right way. Okay, pay attention. Just click it. You have to wait for all this to go away. Right there. Now you press this button. Right there. Now press it and hold it. You see that. Now press it and hold it again. Now press it and hold it again. Keep holding it. Now let it go. That's how you reset the oil life in this vehicle, okay? Do as I say, alright? Other than that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Nuke, ban, destroy the subscribe button. Do the same with the like button. The same with the share button. And the feedback, put in the comment box for me. Alright. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you for the subscribers. Thank you for the new subscribers. And I catch you in the next one, alright? Holla at your boy, estuvo por un... Hey!